Today evening we are doing Carbon Divine treatment for this patient. She first visited us 30 days back for the freckles and uneven skin tone and for dull skin. We received many queries regarding dull skin, uneven skin tone, the skin is becoming dark और हमें whitening effect चाहिए, but people don't get it. So first we investigated her and then we find out that there are so many internal causes for the dullness of the skin. So we gave her treatment for the same and she improved up to 30% with just the medication and the local application. So today we are doing her first procedure for the freckles and uneven skin tone. We are doing Carbon Divine treatment today. So we are about to finish the full face. It will help us many ways. How the carbon works. The carbon gets absorbed into the skin pores and it soaks up all the impurities and bacteria which cause acne. This patient had little acne also, which is also clear with the oral treatment and the local application by now. And it will help the further recurrences of acne too. Other benefits of Carbon Divine treatment is it reduces pigmentation, it reduces uneven skin tone, it tightens the pores, and if there are early acne scars, it treats even that early acne. Obviously, there are many things which need to be taken care of. The treatment matters the most because everything works in combination. Many a times I receive patients like they come and straight away land in the clinic, doctor हम तो लेज़र कराने आए हैं freckles के लिए. No, it doesn't start like that. One has to understand that we have to prepare the skin for procedure. It doesn't work like that you come and I will start with your laser treatment. You have to visit me, you have to show your skin, you need to visit for investigations, then your oral medication, and then when the time is right, we will suggest you, yes, now we can go in for the procedure. So that part should be very, very clear to the patients. So we are almost finished with the Carbon Divine treatment, and now about to finish. We are almost done with the low face and it brightens up your skin very beautifully, but the results takes around 20 to 25 days to be visible. So one has to understand that you don't see the results immediately. The results are gradual, but they are very nice. So as you can see on the face, there are a lot of freckles on her face. Earlier she had a lot of acne also, but that is gone. Now she had a lot of freckles. So we have done carbon laser treatment for the same, and now we are going to move ahead with the further steps. I am going to clean her face now as I am finished with the laser thing. I hope you are comfortable, Vaishali.
Yes.
No itching, no burning, no redness.
Nothing.
As you can see, have a close-up look. As you can see, there is no redness at all. There is no burning, no flaking, no edema, no erythema. कोई swelling नहीं है, कोई redness नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. You can very clearly see. Now we are going to move to the next step. As the skin is clear, the pores are clean, we are going to put few serums which are going to eventually lift your head better. Yes, rest your head. Now the skin is clear, it's going to get into the skin really well. I hope, Vishali, it's not burning on the skin.
Nothing.
You are
It's fine.
comfortable?
Yes.
Good. We have prescribed her many products to apply at home for home care so that we can enhance what we have done here. And as I said, results come eventually. They are not immediate. So results are very slow. So we have to explain to the patient that results are going to be pretty slow. So they have to be very, very patient in that case. And for this thing only, that we tell the patients that home care is very important. Like many students and many patients are coming nowadays, they are not using any sunscreen at home because they are not aware that they have to use sunscreen at home. They are taking classes at home, they are doing homework, they are working on laptops late nights, they have their clients from 10 to 12 hours exposure on the computers. So you have to understand that if you are suffering from pigmentation or you have freckles, you have to use sunscreen. Even if you are at home, you are in front of your cooking gas, you are in front of your laptop, in front of your phone or iPad, you have to be very sincere with your sunscreen. So very commonly asked questions like for freckles, many patients say कि डॉक्टर ये तो वापस आ जाता है. That's the first thing we explain to our patients during counseling in the first session. F for freckles, F for fade away, and they come back on sun exposure. So you have to be very regular with your sunscreen. If you stop using sunscreen, it will come back. So we will ask the patient to keep all the creams we have applied on the face to keep overnight, and then she will follow up with us after 20 days of treatment, after her oral medication, after her local application, and she will keep all this overnight. And we have given her some home care product to use on the top of it. She will not wash her face tonight, and tomorrow she will wash her face with the normal water, and she will start with her home care regime prescribed by us. So I hope you liked the demonstration, and if you liked it, do share with your friends, and if you have any questions, do drop them in the comment section. We will answer them shortly. Thank you. Wait.